kids, I'm here with one more cool episode of Cool Guru Cool. This is actually the continuation of our last episode of Art and Craft. In this episode, I will show you how I made a goodie bag filled of chocolates and some more stuffs which I made. Then why wait? Let's get started. We need any decorative paper. I am taking this blue sheet and colorful ribbon, chart paper, sellotape and scissors. First I am taking a glass or any round object over which I can keep the chart paper and make cylinder shape like this. I am fixing it with sellotape. I will seal all the ends with sellotape. Then I am wrapping this cylinder chart paper in this way. Again I am sealing it with sellotape. It must have some extra paper from both sides like this. We will seal one side of cylinder chart paper with sellotape again. This is the base. See, now it has holded the shape, the cylinder shape, and now I am taking out the glass. Then it's time to put chocolates in the cylinder. Once the chocolate are in, we will fix the other side, that is the top side of the cylinder, with sellotape in this way. Properly like this. To make it look more attractive, I am cutting the extra paper like this. Now I will tie this pink lace over the sellotape so that the tape gets hidden and the goodie bag looks beautiful. Tying the knot. See how cute these bags are looking. I have made 4 bags in the same way. Now I will stick some cartoon stickers over this. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse and many other cartoons. Now the chocolate goodie bags are ready. Pretty, isn't it? That was so cute and pretty, isn't it? Yes, I have even made 2 bouquet kind of things which I will show you. See, this is made of many colorful balls and everyone's favorite Ferrero Rocher chocolate arranged in a beautiful pink basket. And this is the arrangement of some soft toys like Doraemon, Batman and Mario with some chocolates and Cadbury's in a beautiful white basket. Now it's rhyme time and you all have to sing with me. Chalks and duster and blackboard, puzzles and games and toys that roar. These are the beautiful gifts for me, given by friends and family. Basketball and so many cars, tasty chocolates in the jar. These are the lovely gifts for me, given by my mommy and daddy. I love to eagerly wait wait for the day in June cause it is my happy birthday. Nice rhyme, isn't it? Lot of craft in last 2 days, right? But because I enjoy doing it, I never get tired. And if you kids also enjoy doing craft, don't stop yourself. Keep exploring and keep watching Cool Guru Cool. We'll meet next time with lot more fun. Till then, bye bye.